Blueberry farming is an exciting and rewarding venture that involves cultivating delicious and nutritious blueberries. These small, vibrant berries are not only a popular fruit but also offer numerous health benefits. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, blueberry farming can be a fruitful endeavor. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of blueberry farming, from site selection to harvesting, ensuring that you have all the knowledge you need to succeed. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Site selection. The first crucial step in blueberry farming is selecting the right site for cultivation. Blueberries thrive in acidic soil with a pH level between 4.0 and 5.5. Ensure that the chosen land has good drainage to prevent waterlogging. Additionally, blueberries require full sunlight exposure for at least 6 hours a day. Consider factors such as climate, elevation, and proximity to water sources when choosing the perfect location. Soil preparation. Prepare the soil well in advance of planting. Blueberries prefer loamy, well-drained soil with high organic matter content. Test the soil to determine its pH level and make necessary adjustments by adding organic matter or using soil amendments like sulfur. Clear the land of weeds, rocks, and debris, and then till the soil to a depth of 12 to 18 inches. Incorporate organic matter such as compost or aged manure to improve the soil's fertility and structure. Variety selection. Choose the blueberry varieties that are well suited to your climate and market demand. Different varieties have varying requirements for chilling hours and adaptability to different regions. Consider factors such as flavor, yield, disease resistance, and ripening time. Popular blueberry varieties include Blue Crop, Duke, and Legacy. Consult local agricultural extension offices or nurseries for guidance on the most suitable varieties for your area. Planting. Blueberries are typically planted in the spring or fall when the soil is moist and the weather is mild. Dig holes that are twice as wide and deep as the root ball of the blueberry plant. Space the plants at least 4 to 6 feet apart to allow for optimal growth. Set the plants at the same depth they were in the nursery container and backfill the hole with soil, gently firming it around the roots. Water the newly planted blueberries thoroughly. Maintenance. To ensure healthy growth and maximize yields, blueberries require regular maintenance. Implement a mulching strategy to conserve soil moisture, suppress weed growth, and regulate soil temperature. Prune the blueberry bushes annually during the dormant season to remove dead wood and promote new growth. Monitor the soil moisture levels and provide supplemental irrigation during dry periods. Protect the plants from pests and diseases through proper pest management practices. Harvesting. The ultimate reward of blueberry farming is harvesting the ripe, plump berries. Blueberries are typically ready for harvesting in the summer months, depending on the variety and location. Harvest the berries when they have reached their full color and easily detach from the plant with a gentle tug. Collect them carefully to avoid damaging the fruit. Sort and package the harvested blueberries promptly to maintain their quality and freshness. Conclusion. Blueberry farming offers a delightful and profitable venture for farmers. By carefully selecting the right site, preparing the soil, choosing suitable varieties, and implementing proper maintenance practices, you can cultivate a thriving blueberry farm. The journey from planting to harvesting may require patience and dedication, but the sweet rewards are worth it. So, whether you're considering starting a new blueberry farm or expanding your existing agricultural endeavors, following these step-by-step guidelines will set you on the path to success in the vibrant world of blueberry farming. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.